First of all, the app name is Intro Movie Block Trailer Maker for Music and YouTube. The best way to create intro maker and add professional quality intros to your movies. Present your movies without style, create impressive intros, inserts, announcements, and film credit for any movies project right from your Android phone. Intro includes a huge library of customized templates to make your movie direct in a minutes. Preloaded with thousands of gorgeous and highly customizable HD templates, edit templates, 200 plus amazing fonts, even 30 popular movie fonts. Add creative translation to each text titles. Set the start time and duration. Add up to 11 titles. Adjust it little individually to your liking. Edit the size and stroke even shadow of each title. Add soundtracks or create your own voice over. Make your own templates. Just grab videos from your gallery. Save your intro to the phone gallery in just a few taps. Next app is Magovideo editor. Here you can find Magovideo is the best video editor and video maker with effects and music for Musical.ly. With Magovideo, you can easily add touch, magic effects, mist effects, sticker, emojis, frame and music to video, add effects and music to photo, make photo to video, create slideshow with music, effects and sticker. Best free video editor and photo editor with effects for YouTube, Musical.ly or Instagram. You can find here edit videos with coolest touch video effect, surprise your friends with coolest effect mix, add touch sticker, emojis to video or photo, video editor with music for fun lip sign, slideshow maker, make a photo slideshow on just one click, decorate your video or photo with frame to edit your video, create a unique video with photos just like GIF maker, multiple version supported like 1:1, 4:5, select background you love for your video or slideshow. Preview edit video or slideshow in real time, video edit, video trim, video crop, video compress, rotate video or mirror video, and you can flip video, share video directly on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere as you wish. Number 3. Vimo video motion sticker and text. Vimo is the best video editor to make your video photo fun and unique. Using Vimo's motion sticker stamp, you can change any of your videos and photos into fun and exciting ones. Vimo's motion stickers are animation clips with 50 to 100 frames and they play along with your video photo like GIF maker. You can move or zoom or rotate this sticker within the video editor, and even more, you can record their movements in real time as the videos plays. Looks complicated? Not at all. All these are really easy with Vimo's initiative and the simple user interface. Vimo features make attractive fun video by adding motion sticker over your video and photos. It's smooth and easily harmonized with your video and photo. You can customize the color, shape of them and you wish in the video editor. The sticker keeps its quality even with every high resolution at animating text level or in your video. You can also add your own text level with animating decoration to your video and photos. The text you type is automatically fit into the label decoration. 40 plus text level decoration are provided in this video editing app. Recording sticker stamp movements for easy editing. Vimo's video editor allows you to record the movements of the sticker along with the video. You just drag the motion sticker to proper position as the video plays. Vimo records and do all the course automatically. Easily animate your automation. Just make necessary changes, zoom, move, rotate and proper timeline. Vimo will automatically generate animation between the change points. You can also change the duration control, subtitle function. You can choose your video from your gallery. Easy video editor for everyone. So you can try this video editor. It is very helpful for your YouTubing life, Facebook life or anywhere you can use. Number 2 video editing app is Block Editor. It is a great app for every YouTuber life. Block Editor is the best video editor and movie maker to create and make blogging videos. add text, music, video effects on your blog and upload to your YouTube channel. It is also the best video editor to create your own YouTube intros. Spice up your videos and be the top blogger by adding video effects and filters. Export and upload your video to YouTube and other various social media platforms. Video editor, you can find here video trim, compress video and flip video. Video maker, create movies in just a few clicks. Add music to video, add your own music clips. Video recording, add your own voice in your video. Sound effects, add funky and sound effects to create awesome YouTube intro video. Text on YouTube editor, select up to 1000 plus fonts for your subtitle or outro movies credits. Video filters, effect and 3D filters to your videos. Video maker, create awesome video clips for your YouTube channel, and you can use here video editor for YouTube. You can rotate it, split it, trim it, video clips easily in just a few clips. Trim your videos to fit your own performance. Video editor with music, you can use here lots of music in your gallery, or you can find here this app. Video effects, you can here use the video effects. Text on video, you can customize your own text in this video site. Then you save and share everywhere as you wish. Number 1, this is the best app for your YouTube video editing. You can make your own customized intro. The app name is Intro Maker or Outro Maker. This is called Intro Creator. Intro Maker is the easiest intro creator app to create on YouTube channel. Intro Maker is also the simplest outro maker for your all videos. Look now, as this is the best YouTube intro maker on the Play Store to create YouTube intro and also movie intro. Here, what you can expect in this intro. Creator app, Outro Maker. Your video won't be complete without an ending credits. Use these apps to create an outro for complete finish. YouTube Intro Maker, create your YouTube intro for your YouTube channel. Impress your audience with beautifully crafted background videos. 50 plus intro templates with over 50 plus templates to choose from there, and a intro template for every occasion: Christmas, Halloween, birthday, and even wedding templates. Perfect for a movie intro. The app is perfect for creating movie intro too. Simple export from the app and import into the app. YouTube Video Maker, beside being an intro app, this app functions perfectly well as YouTube Video Maker. Short blog or reaction came with this app. Add video overlays, add tons of video overlays to decorate your intros. Add text easily into your video for customization your video. With so many awesome and amazing features, what are you waiting for? Download the Intro Creator app now and create the best intro for your channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.